and welcome back to Crypto 416. In today's lesson, we're going to show you how to fund Binance. If you're a Canadian and you want to exchange crypto, Binance is the largest and best exchange for it. It has the lowest trading fees, the highest liquidity. It has over 300 altcoins that you can exchange on. What we're going to do today is show you guys how to put your Canadian funds into Binance. Alright, so step number one, you got to sign up to a Canadian exchange where you can deposit your Canadian funds. I suggest signing up to Newton. Click on the link below and you can get $25 off your first $100 deposit. That's right. Newton has the lowest fees pretty much for transferring into a larger exchange. So let me show you guys here on the screen. We've got Newton here. Once you sign up to Newton using the link below, what you got to do is click on the top right button with on your mobile, then click on add funds and click add via interact e-transfer. Once you do that, put the amount that you want to deposit, send fund request. You're going to get an email asking to confirm the funds, and there you have it. You should have the funds in your account. Once you have the funds in your account, you're going to go back into Newton and you got to buy XLM. So go ahead, go to trade and set up Canadian to XLM and purchase those XLM funds. Right after you do that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to sign up to Binance. Okay? Use the link below, get 10% off all future transaction fees for life on Binance. Alright, so you're going to sign up to Binance and then you're going to, on the mobile app, you're going to click on deposit. Then you're going to find the XLM, alright, and you're going to click on XLM and this is going to show you the deposit address. So you see the address wallet, you're going to copy that and then you're going to go back to Newton, and in Newton you're going to click on withdraw and then you're going to click on crypto to wallet, alright? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna paste your Binance wallet into Newton, and then you're gonna put the amount of funds you want, the amount of XLM you want, and there you have it. And then it should transfer into your Binance, and then you should wait for a few minutes, and it should deposit in your Binance, and it would have very, very low trading fees. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, like it, share, comment, subscribe. There's going to be some more videos available. And yeah, good luck trading in the crypto world. Bye-bye.